Hi, welcome to the News Reporter's Guide to a Police Shooting. This edition examining the question of why didn't the police perform CPR or use some kind of automatic electric defibrillator following a police shooting. My name is Andy Cooley. I'll be your host. Since 1985, I've been representing police agencies, police departments, and police officers in all manner of forces that they've used, including deadly force. And I have background and experience in these matters, and that's why I'm able to talk with you about them. The intended audience for this video, like the others that I've made, is news media reporters who are been assigned a police shooting and are trying to get background in order to accurately report on that kind of police shooting. I'm not speaking on behalf of any police agency. I'm not speaking on behalf of any of my clients. I'm just offering this information to members of the media so they can do an accurate and good job in reporting on these matters. One of the questions that comes up sometimes in the aftermath of a police shooting is why didn't the police perform CPR? Why didn't they do chest compressions? Why didn't they obtain an automatic electric defibrillator and use that on the person who'd been shot? And to answer this question, you have to understand that a person who's been shot has not suffered a heart attack or any other kind of disabling heart condition. If they've been shot, most of the time the wound ballistics are such that they've suffered some kind of loss of blood. Sometimes they've had a major organ that has been hit that has caused them to be incapacitated. Sometimes they've been struck in some place like the spinal cord, which might render them immediately paralyzed. And that's why they're no longer a threat to the police. And the police can begin to do something, some kind of first aid, life-saving forces. Police officers are not trained trauma surgeons. They're not trained paramedics. Police officers have basic first aid experience. And what they've been taught is that somebody who's been shot is not suffering from a heart attack. They don't need their heart stimulated by either chest compressions or by a defibrillator. What they need is the wounds to be have pressure applied to them, and they need trained paramedics to be summoned immediately. And in fact, if police officers were to do things like chest compressions, it might actually make things worse because compressing the chest might encourage the heart to pump the blood faster, and it might leave the body sooner, actually accelerating death. And so the main thing police officers are trained to do is apply pressure to any wounds that have blood coming out of them, and otherwise make sure paramedics come right away. They're trained that unless a person has suffered a heart attack somehow, chest compressions, CPR, and automatic electric defibrillators are not well advised, and that's why you don't see them being used in the aftermath of a shooting. Hope you found this to be useful. Thanks for watching.